let me show you how to remove the bands from your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. So if you flip over, I see on the back of your watch, you have these two tiny buttons. So if you simply press these buttons inside, the strap will get released. So you see, if you kind of use your fingernail, press it inside, then you see you can pull it out. So you press it inside. So let me zoom in and show you, for example, how it looks like. So you see that mechanism simply goes inside as you press this tiny button. If you want to attach the strap back, so you position it around this angle and you literally just push it inside. It will click inside. So again, to release it, simply press in this tiny button and then you can kind of pull out to insert back in. So you see, very easy. Again, simply push it inside and the strap comes out. Okay, like